Alright guys, what's going on? New day. Just went to Lowe's and I picked up this sick box. It was on sale and took what, like an hour to load? Yeah. Yeah, I think it weighs like 350 pounds. So Home Depot, dude. Maybe we should have went to Home Depot. It was too good of a deal though. So we're gonna go back to Jack's and try and unload this thing. Okay, just got the toolbox back at Jack's now, and this thing's massive. Got soft shut drawers. This thing will focus. Got a super good deal on it. I'm gonna fill this thing up with tools right now. Okay, this side is all grinded down. Looks pretty good. We're gonna tape it off and paint it, and then once we're done with that, I'm gonna start draining some fluids for the motor, and I might pull that today. So Brandon's creeping up, and there he goes. The front end's completely taken apart, and we're about to pull this motor. I'm not gonna video too much because there's so many videos of people pulling motors, it's not even really worth it. Probably just do a time lapse. But yeah, so that's it for now. And right now we're really shitting and getting, pulling the last set of wires off, and then this baby's out of here. Dude, we're eating ass. Dude, look at this panoramic shot. So fuck. Yeah, we're pretty much done.
Dude, you're really taking command of this, aren't you? Yeah, straight on top of it.
Oh, I'm up in her. Honestly, hang off the motor. Might as well. Hang on.
I'll take it. It's like the final picture. Yeah. It's like the wrecking ball video.
It does the single angle.
That's it.
Whoa! This thing's up there. That's a big fish, dude. Alright. Woo! Woo! Time to start our short throw shifter install. Now that we have pulled the engine, it's time. Alright, what's going on? Got the motor completely out, as you probably saw last night. Didn't film too much just because a lot of people film it, and honestly it wasn't that interesting, but there she is. She's really dirty, really nasty. Engine bay is just a mess, so today I'm going to work on cleaning that up, getting some of the wiring out, and yeah. So I got the thanks, asshole. Thanks. What? Thanks, asshole. Oh, it's not focusing. Got the ECU out, taking all the AC and heater shit out, and we got this sick snowstorm going on. Some huge ass flakes coming down. So that's dope. Alright, what's going on? Gotta take the front subframe out. Pretty good progress on it. Then we're gonna take it up to the car wash, get it all cleaned up, like Jack's. Put a nozzle on it now. Yeah, it's just everybody know where the... Cleaning this shit up pretty good right now. Brandon's going to town. Got this thing pretty sanded down. Jack's behind the camera doing some B-rolls, so all the cool shit's gonna be because of him. And pretty close done.
We are gathered here tonight to create love through the medium of music. Yes, indeed.
Not a big crowd guy. You going? Oh, hey. So this is all ready to go here. Oh shit. Sick VHT silver. And it's like for headers and shit, but it's the only silver they had, so we're just gonna let it rip. And we're gonna get going here pretty quick. Sick. I'm hyped. Alright, so I got the subframe all painted silver. Looks really good. Gonna throw some clear on it, and then I'm gonna paint this little thing for the steering column black. So I think it's gonna look good as hell. Damn it. Okay, so alright, thanks fucker. Thanks for ruining the whole shot. I got this looking pretty damn good. Still drying a little bit. Alright, you can fuck off. Okay, so anyway, this is gonna be the end of that video. And anything to say, Jack?
Fuck yeah.
Thanks for watching. See you guys later.